To prepare jackfruit, drain it and rinse it, cut the rinds off. And if the rinds are tough, throw them away. If they're not too tough, you can go back and with a small paring knife, go ahead and cut them up into bite-sized pieces and add them to the mix. You just want to end up with a pile of jackfruit that looks like this. To make a jambalaya or any other stew-based dish with jackfruit, I like to start with my onions on a dry saute pan on low. Put all your veggies in there, add a little salt and just a little bit of stock or water, and let it simmer and soften. Go ahead and at that point season your jackfruit with whatever spices you want. This determines the dish profile you're making. And then add it all into the pot, some rice or anything else you'd like, and ta-da, you have a delicious jackfruit stew.